Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund a British Airways plane ticket in 2024. So whether your plans have changed or you need an example to cancel your flights, understanding how to get a refund from British Airways is essential. So this tutorial will walk you through the steps to request a refund for British Airways like plane ticket. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video. Simply, let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave, where you can use it wherever you want. And before, of course, requesting a refund, it's important to understand British Airways refund policy. British Airways offers different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares can be refunded to the original form of payment, while non-refundable fares might not be eligible for travel credit, but might only be eligible, of course, for like travel credits, and might also be like vouchers for future use. But of course, unless you book and you want to cancel it within 24 hours, they will refund fully amount to your, of course, original form of payment. So don't have to worry about that. So we will need to see if we're eligible or not. To do so, go to the URL section. Basically, just type British. So British like Airways and refund like policy. Click on the first link. Okay, I'll just open it in a new tab and I'll just go and delete that. Hit the enter button to go to their website right away. So first, if you are sure, as an example, that your ticket is refundable, you are already eligible for a refund. So you don't have to check like the policy or something like that. It's up to you. You can do it as an example because maybe you choose like once you buy a ticket, you choose the best type, the best plan. You pay lots for refundable. So you know it's refundable. You don't have to worry about anything. So in that case, you'll just have to go and click on login to log in into your account. Once you log in into it, go again to your profile. You'll find this at the top right corner instead of your this login option. Click on it and you can find your trips or your booking or your whatever. Just go and click on it. You'll find the trip that you book in there. Just go there. Once you find it, you'll find the cancel option. Click on the cancel option. You'll need to go through cancellation process. Once you finish the cancellation process, then you can request your refund. The refund request will take from 7 up to 10 business days. After that, they will get your money back to your original form of payment. But some people will, as an example, get the same plan, like best plan, etc. They know that their tickets are refundable, they are eligible for a refund. But once they book their tickets, they did not log in or did not even create an account. What should they do? So they book a ticket as a guest. For that, you have two options. Whether you go to your email that they sent you the tickets on, like for me, go to the email provider and find the email. Example for me, I'll just go here to Gmail and percent this is the email. So you'll find your tickets in there. If you scroll down, you'll find. If you want to cancel the tickets, click in here. You'll find like a blue link like this. Click on it, and you'll be able to take in to cancel that specific tickets right away. Of course, if you don't like want to do this, or maybe you didn't find the link in there, all you need to do, go back to their website. Here, all you need to do, just go and click on manage or hover manage, and all you need to do here is to enter the booking references or reference and the last name of the passenger. Where you will get this booking reference from, you'll find it on your ticket. Like you'll find some big letters, capital letters and numbers. Enter that here and enter the last name of passenger, then click on find by booking. Once you find it, you'll be able to click on cancel to cancel it. And so once you cancel it, of course, you'll have to go and click on request my refund. You'll find you go through the refund process and you'll be able to refund it without any problems. As simple as that. Of course, you'll have to wait from 7 to 10 business days until you get a refund to your original form of payment. But what's for others that they don't know if you're eligible or not? You'll have to go check the refund policy. That's why you open this tab. So, example here for canceled flights, example, so if your flight has been canceled, you can claim a refund. You can review the consumer example rights, and please visit Manage My Booking to quickly and easily find the options available to you. If you're booking through a travel agent or a tour operator, please contact them directly to discuss your options or request a refund. If you still need further assistance obtaining a refund from your travel agent to your operator, please contact us directly. If you need further assistance, please contact us also. So now, if you go here to see if your flight is delayed. So if the flight is delayed from your origin is delayed within 3 hours before departure, we'll automatically rebook your connecting flight that is operated by British Airways to give you more time to connect. So please be mindful of the minimum connection times for reaching your flight. Being parts of the One World Alliance, we can provide support through the One Global like support teams at key airports. They can, of course, help speed you through the airports, provide up to date travel information, new boarding passes, and if required, overnight accommodation. If you miss the connection like flights, example will automatically rebook you to the next available British Airways flight and other information example. So for refund, if a delay or cancellation of 5 hours or more disrupts, as example, connection flights that you booked under the same booking references or reference with a planned connection time of 24 hours or less, you no longer wish to continue to your final destination. And you know, of course, you don't want to like continue. The operation carrier will provide you with a return flight to your original point of departure at the earliest opportunity, as well as refund the parts of the journey you did not fly. You can claim a refund of the parts of your journey which you did fly, provided that you can prove that the journey no longer serves any purposes in relation to your original travel plans. You must then claim this refund at the same time as claiming a refund for the part of your journey you did not fly. To claim a refund, please follow the same steps as for canceled flights. So yeah, as you can see, other information that you will be able to find in here. Just read whatever you want. You have here some questions. If you have one of them as an example, I'll just open them all. You can pause the video and read it all by your own. And yeah, you should be good to go. So if you're eligible, request a refund. If you're not, I'm sorry for you. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.